अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। लेक्चर स्टार्ट होने से पहले आपसे गुजारिश की जाती है कि आप हमारे दूसरे चैनल को ज़रूर विज़िट करें, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है। उसमें ग्रामर एमसीक्यूज़ क्विज़ अपलोड किए जाते हैं। इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट इज़ द थीसिस स्टेटमेंट ऑफ मैन इज एसे वेस्टलैंड। इसका आंसर है, the thesis statement of man's essay Wasteland is that man is ruthlessly berahmi se, damaging the natural beauty of the environment by throwing waste here and there and creating air, land, and water pollution. Question number 2 है, how many examples of waste does man cite? What do they have in common? इसका आंसर है, man has given a number of examples of waste that is caused by human beings such as cans, carafe, polybags, smoke, industrial wastes, factory chemicals, debris, and other waste materials. These materials are thrown by man on the land, in rivers, oceans, and other water bodies, causing air, water, and land pollution. What all these waste materials have in common is that they never become dull and never be buried and can never be destroyed. Furthermore, they are harmful to human, plant, and animal health and cause severe damage to our environment too. Question number 3 है, what purpose does man want to achieve? Does it work? इसका आंसर है, through this essay, man wants to achieve her only purpose to make man aware about his heinous activities. Heinous activities कहते हैं घिनौनी को. Heinous activities of destroying nature, and to help him understand the damage we as humans are causing to our environment by throwing waste material on land, in water, and air. It does not work to a great extent as humans have become quite insensitive to nature and have forgotten his responsibilities towards taking care of it. ये वेस्टलैंड वैसे ही लिखा, अगर ना लिखना चाहते हैं ना ही लिखें, बेहतर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, इन व्हाट वे इज मैन ऐसे परsuasive. परsuasive कहते हैं कायल करने वाला. एंड हाउ डज इट डिफर फ्रॉम अ फॉर्मल आर्ग्यूमेंट. इसका आंसर है, मैन ऐसे वेस्टलैंड इज परsuasive in nature because man has used the technique of repetition and questioning to put emphasis and divert our attention towards the reaction of our action. This means that man is persuading the readers to take care of the environment only if we want to live in a healthy environment. This essay is different from a formal argument because in this essay, man has not directly and plainly talk about waste material, pollution, and its impact on the environment. Question number 5 है, in paragraph number 5, man writes, there will not be one beach, one hill, one lane, one meadow. Meadow कहते हैं घास का मैदान, यानी greenery जहाँ. One forest free from the debris of man and the stigma of his improvidence. Is it an accurate statement or exaggerated? Explain. Exaggerated कहते हैं मुबालगा आमेज. इसका आंसर है, the above mentioned statement by man is not an accurate one, but one can say that it is the exaggerated statement. The reason for this exaggeration is that man want people to acknowledge their mistake of polluting the environment and destroying natural beauty. She wants the readers to pay heed to nature and must take care of it before it would be too late, and we just have to repent on our actions in future. Question number 6 है Who is Mary's audience? What assumptions does she make of it? इसका आंसर है Mary's audience of this essay is all human beings. She is basically addressing all human species to understand their responsibilities towards taking care of the environment and natural beauty. She wants to make it clear to the general public that their activities are causing severe damage to the environment and they should look into this affair as soon as possible and must play a constructive role in saving the world's natural beauty. Question number 7 है Why does Malice use such a short paragraph, paragraph number 7? Why does she not merge it with the longer paragraph that follows? इसका आंसर है Malice uses such a short paragraph, paragraph number 7, as she wants to put emphasis on her question and to awaken the sleeping sense of thoughtlessness of the readers. With this approach, she wants the readers to imagine and visualize the horrible sketch of the world when we were long dead and what would be left behind by us for our generations to come, either heaps of debris, filth कहते हैं गंदगी को, polluted environment, ruined nature, ruined कहते हैं तबाहशुदा, और maybe sunken treasure. Sunken treasure कहते हैं डूबा हुआ खजाना. She does not merge it with the longer paragraph that follows to show the importance of the question being asked. Question number 8 है Is Malice's argument based on emotion or factual evidence? Factual कहते हैं हकीकी, something exists in fact. Illustrate. इसका आंसर है Though Mary's argument is based on factual evidence, but she has not given simple evidence to support her viewpoint. Instead, she has used emotional language, words, and phrases. The reason for this is to put emphasis and to make readers attentive towards the burning issue of the pollution and the barbaric vahshiyana role of man in destroying nature and the environment all over the world.